And now we're going to talk about chopping garlic for our lasagna. Start off, we're going to need about 8 cloves of garlic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now a quick way to do this is to cut off the ends where they're connected to the base and then give it a quick smash. Now doing this separates the garlic from the skin. Just want to peel that garlic away. You get as close to the knife as you can while cutting it down into the garlic. As small as you can. You want to gather the garlic together and go in small little pieces. Go one way, then cut the other way. Put it together, wipe off the knife, do the same thing. Or you can start at one location and fan out. Pieces about that size.